Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by melting 1 cup sugar in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. This controls even caramelization. Once edges liquefy, stop stirring to avoid crystallization and gently swirl to distribute heat. You want a pale gold moving to deep amber in about 8 to 12 minutes. That color equals flavor development. Make sure to lower heat if it browns too fast. The why matters. Bitter burnt sugar ruins the glaze, whereas controlled caramel gives a complex, toasty sweetness. Once the sugar reaches amber, remove the pan from heat and immediately add 6 tablespoons butter. You do this off heat to temper the reaction and keep foam manageable. Then slowly pour in 1/2 cup heavy cream while whisking. This creates an emulsion that yields glossy, pourable glaze. Put it back on low heat just until the mixture is uniform and coats the whisk. Make sure to skim any stubborn crystallized bits, so your glaze stays silky and spreadable when cooled slightly. You finish by stirring in 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla off the heat to lock in flavor without breaking the emulsion. Let the caramel cool 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens slightly. This prevents it from running off the cake. When pouring, work quickly and use an offset spatula for even coverage. If the glaze turns grainy, reheat gently with a tablespoon or 2 of cream and whisk vigorously. This dissolves crystals and brings back a smooth texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.